Hello, my friends. It's the next part for Mr. John's um, video about cars that he sent for me. I tell you before that I want to make a review for this wonderful premium Nissan Skyline GDR 30, a wonderful Skyline model. I must to say you guys, I must to say you that I never have opened RealRiders. I have couple RealRiders in my collection, but I never have opened any RealRiders in my life. So it will be first time in this review when I will open RealRider by Hot Wheels and make a review on this RealRider. Sorry for my English. English not my main language. I make some mistakes. I know about this. So it will be my first RealRiders Hot Wheels opening and unboxing, of course, and review for this RealRider. This is wonderful Japan History series Hot Wheels Premium that Mr. David Jones is sending for me as a present in his mail call. I'm so excited about this car. I'm already wondered how it will be when I could open it. That what cars we have in our collection for Japan History 3. I think I can find another one cars in this collection in my shop, maybe in local. I have saw some of them a couple of days ago, so I can adjust my collection by buying this and this car in my city. And today we will look on Skyline RS number 30 GDR. Sorry for my long intro, guys. I love to talk many talk. So let's start unboxing of this beauty. So if you're still not subscribed to David worst YouTube ever channel, who sending me this car as a present, I suggest you to subscribe to his channel. A link will be description to the David's worst YouTube ever channel. He making many reviews for the Hot Wheels. I love to watch them. I love to spend my time on his channel. He has a very lumpy style of reviews, so I already have opened this wonderful Nissan Skyline. And that's how it's look like. It have a rubber wheels. I must say it's much more detailed wheels than the usual Hot Wheels have. We can see here also RS Turbo, a kind of motor section number, DOS type of motor, logo on the side, very beautiful wheels discs, and rubber wheels. I never even touch premium Hot Wheels rubber wheels in my life. This is my first time, and I decided to start this my first time from this car that David sent me. This is 82 Nissan Skyline R30 from 2010 or 2019 from Mattel. Made in Thailand. Thai, nice. Very excited. I'm very excited by details of this car. They make even tail lights. They make them so detailed, as you can see here. A wonderful black spoiler on the back. A very good painting. I think maybe it's much better painting that we have in the usual basic cars of Hot Wheels. Yeah, I think it's much better than usual cars because it's a premium series. RealRiders, it's a premium Hot Wheels. That's because this car have so much details. Good, very good front tail lights. Very good painting without any mistakes or errors here. A wonderful front bumper with a spoiler on the downside. It's a wing or spoiler? Write me in the comments. Wonderful this part behind the wheel. We call it in the Russian брызговик. It's for water defense on the sides, but I didn't know how it's called in English. This side, this part. Maybe you will write me in the comments. I'm still studying English because my first language is Russian language. English my second language. I can even think on English, but I didn't know English very well, and that's why I can make many mistakes here. The wheel on this car is a Japan domestic GDM. It's on the right side, not on the left as usual. It's on the right. You can see here. Black plastic interior. Very nice glass, plastic glass, plastic windows. They kind of some brown tinted. Very nice doors and door details on the side. I love this. I love this rubber wheels. They're so much better than the usual plastic ones. But everybody knows that for racing, for Hot Wheels trucks, rubber, oh, it's so soft. It's so soft on my desk. It's so soft. It's really, oh, it's really so soft. It doesn't have any suspension like majority cars have, but no one Hot Wheels have a suspension now. Maybe Hot Wheels making suspension in the historic years, but I didn't know when the Hot Wheels finish making suspension on their cars. Please write in the comments. And when Matchbox stop making suspension, nobody can answer on me on this question. When Matchbox stop add suspension to their cars. I'm drinking some tea here today. Sol from the Great Britain. Hello, my dear friend. And of course, I have a couple of cookies that I'm already eaten. So I'm making this review for this Nissan Skyline from the David with a couple of tea, of course. So when you're watching this review, you must to take cookies, tea, coffee, or something to drink maybe. So now we must to test this Nissan Skyline with another Nissan Skyline from the basic series. Big surprise that I have a basic Skyline from the base series, but the basic Skyline, as you can see here, have even a better headlights. It's not painted, it's made from plastic like a real one. Not so much details, but the back side is the same. Back side is the same that we can see on the premium one. But premium Hot Wheels have a bit of maybe a bit of better painting, but I didn't know. I think they almost the same, but that's a little more detailed, except of the front lights. They made of plastic like a real one. This front light on the premium series are painted. It's not a plastic front light, as you can see here. So Hot Wheels track. Basic Hot Wheels from the base series and expensive premium one. Who will win our race? Let's look. Let's start. Oh, of course. That's why Everybody of you tells that cars on the rubber wheels not as good as a car like on the plastic wheels, like a basic one, this Skyline. For example, I will show you how a basic car go on my custom track on the fast corner, and it's down to the bank, and it stop here, for example, yeah. Now it's time for premium Hot Wheels. For premium Nissan Skyline, I will turn on my speed detector, and of course I will show you speed of this wonderful Skyline. Let's start it. It's on the rubber wheels, and 325 kilometers per hour. It's nice, but it stops here. Why this car stop here? Maybe we have some kind of a little problem with the track here. But as you can see, a usual model like this can do something better. It's a usual one, and it's a premium. Almost the same speed, but it stucks here because of the rubber wheels. As you can see, rubber wheels isn't so good on the track like a plastic wheels. But I'm very glad to have two variations of Nissan Skyline in my collection. Thank you, David, very much for wonderful casting on the rubber wheels. I'm so excited about it. It's so wonderful. I think I will buy another 4 cars for this collection, and I will have full collection because I saw another cars for the Japan Historics in my shops. I will buy another 4 cars, and maybe I will make a review for them when I buy them. If you want, please write in the comments. I make a review. It's car from David. It's cars that I buy by myself. It's the usual Hot Wheels. It's the premium ones. Premium have a little much more details. Rubber wheels, and it's much heavier. I think I should show you that the usual Hot Wheels have a plastic base and a metal body, but the premium one have wall metal body. It have metal base and metal body. It's all made, all car made from metal. For example, it's a premium, 48 grams, and this is basic one, 30 grams. As you can see, premium Hot Wheels is much harder, and because of rubber wheels, it's much feels much softer on the any surface. This is feel on the plastic wheels. Hot Wheels feels much harder on the surfaces, but it's a little much more faster on the Hot Wheels tracks. So if you want cars for racing, you should select cars on the plastic wheels or made racing between cars on the rubber wheels only, because any car on the plastic wheel will be much faster than a car on the rubber wheels because of physics, I think. That was a wonderful review on this beautiful Japan Historic 3 Nissan Skyline, my first unboxed Hot Wheels Premium. David Forst YouTube channel, thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, on his channel. Link will be in the description. So bye bye, see you later. It was Victor from Wheels Hot Channel.